Oh, sure, I videotape and there's nothing there.
Your uncle smoked.
These are great fireworks.
Well, if we were by the pond, they'd be perfect.
Check out last one.
See what he's doing.
How much money do you have?
What do you think, bud? You watching them?
No, I'm not buying you an iPod. Because you're not my kid.
You said you were.
The only reason you want to be my kid is because I said I'd buy you an iPod.
Well, I'd want to be your kid then, too.
But we have to live with my dad. He can still be your kid, but he has to live with Huh? No. She's my mom. We have to have a different. If he's your dad, I'm not.
Where's the music coming from?
What's that?
Where's the music coming from?
A car with a really good sound system.
I guess so.
I have music.
Where's Bobby? Is he making the kids sit in the truck?
No, he's sitting on the back of the truck.
He's all good. On my shoulders now. No. Your elbows are